Welcome to the Smile Game.
What concerns humanity the most? Is it not the constant pursuit of wealth, health, and beauty? The chase for these treasures often leads to division and discontent, a paradox of our shared human experience.
I guess it comes down to a simple choice, really.
Today we focus on wealth, and more specifically money. Money, the lifeblood of society, and yet its mastery eludes many. Here are 5 money hacks to help you take control. Firstly, automate your savings. By setting up automatic transfers into your savings account, you're leveraging the power of habit. It's a simple yet effective way to consistently build up your savings. Time and consistency are your best allies in this financial journey. Secondly, invest in knowledge. As Warren Buffett once said, the more you learn, the more you earn. Therefore, investing in your knowledge and skills is the greatest investment you can make in yourself. Thirdly, diversify your income streams. Whether it's freelance work, a side business, or investments, having multiple income streams can provide a safety net and increase your earning potential. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Fourthly, spend less than you earn. It sounds straightforward, but it's the simplest yet most ignored principle of wealth. By controlling your spending habits, you're paving the way for financial freedom. Lastly, leverage the power of compound interest. When you reinvest the interest you earn, it compounds, resulting in exponential growth of your wealth over time. It may be slow at first, but be patient. These hacks aren't magic, but they can be transformative. They are tools, waiting for you to wield them. We have traversed the realm of wealth, and now we stand on the precipice of knowledge. We've delved into the 5 money hacks, each a tool to help you master your financial situation. These aren't just tips, they're catalysts for change, strategies to transform your relationship with money. They represent an opportunity to take control, to create a financial future that aligns with your dreams. Remember, the pursuit of wealth is not a race, but a journey, your journey. So take these tools, these hacks, and make them your own.
Choice is an illusion created between those with power and those without.